Welcome. I'm your AI assistant. I will guide you through the basic functions of the spacecraft. At the bottom of the screen is the ship's console. This gives you a basic overview of the spacecraft. The large My Starship button allows you to go inside the ship. Click on the My Starship button. This view shows the interior of the spaceship. Allows you to inspect and manage all systems. Drag the mouse with the right button to rotate the view or use the mouse wheel to zoom. Each module provides a specific function. The module lighting shows if they are active and the green strip indicates the status of the life support within the module. Click on any module to select it. The panel on the right shows information about the selected module, as well as all possible actions. Click the same module again to center. Once center, you can zoom in to view the interior of the module or zoom out to get a more global view. Double-click on an empty space to recenter the view. The distribution grid connects all modules. This can be accessed and repaired from any module. Use your crew equipped with a repair tool to maintain the grid and modules. Click on the Power module. The Power module is the most important module. It supplies power to other modules connected by the grid, by burning X mass. Click on the Thermal module. All working modules generate waste heat. The grid conducts this heat to the thermal modules, where it will be radiated into space. Click on the Life module. The Life Support module produces air, water, and food through the expenditure of VMAS. The air is distributed through the grid, or flow directly through the open doors. Click on the Habitat module. This module restores the morale of the crew. It has capacity for 4 crew members. Keep crew members here until they are rested. Click on the Med Bay module. This module heals up to 4 injured crew members. Hold the crew member here until they are healed. Click on the Sensor module. This module provides sensory and detection capabilities to the ship. Click on the R Drive module. The Reaction Drive module provides thrust and attitude control for the spaceship. Click on the Q Drive module. This module lets you jump the vast distances between stars and planets, but is offline. Turn on by clicking the Power button. While the drive is charging, we need a pilot. Select a crew member. In the right panel you can see the status, skills, and inventory of the selected crew member. Choose one with the best navigation skill. The crew can use the modules but also improve their performance. To move them, select a crew member followed by the destination module. Move the crew member to command module. The skills of other crew members can also affect the entire ship, if placed inside the command module. Select the rest of the crew as a group, by dragging the mouse with the left button. A skilled engineer will reduce the likelihood of any malfunction. The science skill will affect sensor range, and weapon skill will reduce recharging time. Move them to the command module. You are ready to travel, but first you need to find a destination. Click on My Starship button to toggle back to Space View. While you are in the Space View, you can assess what is going on around you. Drag mouse with right button to rotate view and mouse wheel to zoom. Zoom out until you have a wider view of the star system. The panel on the right shows the list of contacts. You can inspect any contact by selecting it from the list, or the overlay icons. Select any contact. The contact information is divided into basic physical information and sensor data. To gather more information, you need to perform an active scan. Click on the scan action. An active scan will use scan seeds, located in sensor module, to create a plasma antenna, extending the range of the sensors. It is a limited resource, but it also has a directional bias. An extra circle over the icons indicates a signal beyond the horizon of the sensors. On the sensor panel, a signal strength above 100 indicates a solid solution while the sensor coverage shows probability of detection. Browse the contact list, you will find that the planetary body with the highest signal is Mitrita 4b. The navigation section shows the distance and relative velocity as well as all possible actions. Some action will initiate a autopilot profile, while others issue a immediate command. Click on the match action to lower the relative velocity. With a closer look, you can see your trajectory relative to the selected target. Zoom in with mouse wheel. The Q drive will place you near the target body, but the relative velocity will only be reduced roughly by half. You need to manage your relative speed after the jump, if you want to avoid collisions. Wait until the relative velocity is below 15.0 km per second. The accuracy of the jump, in terms of distance and velocity, will be determined by the pilot's navigation skill. Wait until the relative velocity is below 15.0 km per second. Each in-system jump will use 1x mass unit, jumps between systems will use 10 units. Wait until the relative velocity is below 15.0 km per second. You may also need to pay attention to dust and radiation near the target body. The sensor will show the likelihood of dust collision or radiation events around any contact. Wait until the relative velocity is below 15.0 km per second. It is now safe to jump to the destination. Click on the jump action. Congratulations on your first successful jump. You should investigate the contacts around you. Go to container C527.290. This lost container may have valuable cargo. Dock with the container. Inside the ship, the cargo hold module allows you to pick up and eject cargo containers. Select cargo hold inside the ship. The module must be online to use it. Turn on by clicking the power button. You can use this module to load the docked container. Click on the load button. You will find valuable items to resupply the ship and crew. Given recent events, you should test your weapon systems. Click on the Drone Bay module. This module is a drone launching platform. The drones are compactly stored as seeds within the module. Turn on by clicking the power button. While the module cycles to the ready-to-launch state, we need to find some contacts for target practice. Toggle back to Space View. We will run a small weapon test exercise. Select debris #143.815. The weapon section on the left panel shows all available weapons. A lit icon indicates a ready weapon and the green light shows that this target is within optimal range. The attack drones are the main offensive weapon. With a simple guidance system, it will seek and destroy the given target. This type of drones can be intercepted with defense drones or diverted with decoy drones. Fire attack drone to target #143.815. Both carrier and laser drones are fully autonomous and use their weapons independently. Watch out for interdictor drones and mines, they will interfere with the use of the Q drive. Wait until the drone hits the target. For short-range defense against incoming threats, lasers are the best option. Select the laser bay inside the ship. This module is a laser weapon platform. The energy banks will provide enough power for a full laser shot. Turn on by clicking the power button. The lasers use a lot of energy, it may take a while for the module to charge. Toggle back to Space View. There are no targets within the range of the laser weapons. Get closer to the debris #268.454. The ideal range for lasers is up to 500 kilometers. To ensure that the threat is destroyed, you should fire as close as possible. Fire at #268.454. Target destroyed. The Matpusa space station seems to be destroyed. Maybe there is still something of value inside it. Go to debris #086.559.